Hello everyone, it's Graham from Lakeside Model Railway, and today, as you know, I did say that I was going to be getting the Hornby Mallard, the 2018 version, and I have. It's arrived, and I've run it in on the rolling road in DC mode for half an hour each way at half speed and about 5 minutes flat out in both directions. So it's nicely run in now. It worked perfectly. Absolutely nothing wrong with it whatsoever. Nothing broken. Yeah, it was actually a pleasant surprise to open it up and nothing fell off. So now that it's running, I've ordered a sound decoder for it, plus a stay alive capacitor and a speaker. And I bought those from YouTube's, and they're the guys who I tend to buy my stuff from now as regards decoders and speakers, etc. Chap there called John, smashing bloke, really helpful. And so I ordered that and it arrived today, and so I didn't open the package. I came straight up to the barn and got soldering iron out. A lot of the wire I would use to connect the whole lot up, plugged the soldering iron in, got the solder out, opened up the package, and bless his little cotton socks, I'll just get it. He'd actually assembled it all. So I've got nothing to do, apart from installing it, and that is amazing. There's the capacitor, the sound decoder, and the speaker. And the speaker is, where is it? There. It's an LS 26 by 20 by 08, so they are the dimensions of it in millimeters. So it's 26 long, 20 wide by 8 mil deep, and the capacitor, I keep losing the blooming things on the video, here it is. The capacitor is a new one now. It's 17,000 microfarad, so that's quite a powerful little capacitor in there, and it's the same size as the old one, but just more powerful. So that's out recently. And obviously the Zimo decoder, which is there it is, and that is a MX645R, and that is the decoder there. So what I've got to do is to fit those three items, as the 8-pin plug, into the tender. Now what I've done is exactly what I did on the Silver Fox, except I did it properly this time. I took the whole lot out, which is only held in by 4 little spots of super glue. Took the whole lot out and just dremeled away all the inside without any damage. So I have a pristine tender without any Dremel marks on it. So that's the way I should have done it before, but I didn't realise that that assembly inside came out. I thought it was part and parcel of the moulding of the tender. But anyway, that's old history. So this time it's been done properly. I've assembled it all back, so now I've got all that room to get that in, which is going to be ample. And what I intend to do is to put the decoder in the base where the speaker is, because that will fit nicely in there, and then the speaker and the capacitor can then sit on top of that assembly there, because that has to go, that assembly has to go there, so that will encase the decoder, and then the capacitor and speaker will then sit on top here very nicely, and then obviously the tender shell will fit on top. So that's the plan. So I shall go ahead and do that now. One of the first things I've got to do, I think for safety's sake, is I will just bend those tabs back just here. I don't know if you can see those. They are the tabs which are for the feelers on the wheels for the tender to bring power up. Now they are protruding, but they're only little brass contacts, so I think I will bend those downwards a little just to make sure they're not touching anything, just to be on the safe side. I haven't got to fold them flat, just take them down, say about 45 degrees, and then that will clear the decoder then. So that's my next stage, is to assemble all this lot back into the tender, pop the tender shell back on, and then code it. So I will stop there and I will do this and speak to you later. Okay, so bye for now. Bye. Hello again everyone. Right, the install went very smoothly. Nothing untoward about it at all. All the 3 items, the decoder, the stay alive capacitor, and of course the speaker, all went into the tender very easily, loads of room. So yeah, it was very easy. It probably took about 20 minutes, 25 minutes, including the encoding of the sound decoder. I've only put a few of the sounds in it at the moment. I'll do that at a later stage. I'm really tight for time today, so hence just a very short video just to show you really what's gone on. So that's the Mallard now on track, hauling of course the dynometer car. I have got the other coaches out ready to put behind it, but I'm just not going to have time to do a full feature running session with it. But you'll get an idea from this, hopefully, what it's all about. So we've got the Mallard and the dynometer car. The dynometer car, I don't know if you can see from here, but I've actually put figures inside it now. It might be difficult to see with this light, but there are figures in there. The lights are on, although it's bright in here, so it's probably not doing its justice. I've also fitted the front screens on, which are the mesh accessories which you get, and again they fitted perfectly, not a problem. So yeah, all in all, very pleased with this setup, and it will look lovely with all the other coaches behind it. I'll just show you briefly a few of the sounds. So let's put the sound on. So we have, at the moment, we have a short whistle and a long whistle. A guard's whistle and an announcement. And to be honest, all I can make out of that was the end bit, which said platform 4. I couldn't make out anything else, but that's probably me being half deaf. There is a inbuilt shovel, which you can hear now and again, and it runs beautifully. The stay alive is absolutely awesome. I can take that off the track and it runs for about 10 seconds afterwards. And the big test of course is going over those points. Got another one coming up now. Slow speed is brilliant, as you can see, and it will go slower than this. Hopefully it won't stutter. You see the coach bumping and banging. And those points are causing it no issues whatsoever. So let's reverse that. Bring it forward again. There you go. So, very pleased with that. It's for once I've not had any issues at all, either with the coach or with the Hornby Mallard. So, I'm very happy. Okay, I've got to crack on. I've got a load of stuff to do today. I'll catch you again soon, and hopefully you've enjoyed that short little video of the Mallard and the dynometer car. So I'll speak to you again soon. Okay folks, so bye for now. Bye.